Have you heard of the Khmer New Year? It's a colorful and exciting celebration in Cambodia, and it's one of the biggest holidays of the year. Khmer New Year is also called Choul Chnam Thmey, which means enter the new year. In the Khmer language, it's usually celebrated in April starting on the 13th or 14th, and it lasts for 3 whole days. That's right. 3 days of fun, family, and tradition. Let's take a closer look at how Cambodians celebrate this special time. Day 1 is called Maha Sangkran. It's the welcoming of the new year. People clean their houses, decorate with flowers, and go to the temple to pray for good luck and happiness. Day 2 is Virak Vanabat, the day for giving and caring. On this day, people give gifts to parents, grandparents, and teachers. They also help the poor and visit the temple to do kind deeds. Day 3 is Virak Loeng Sak, the day of blessings and water fun. Families pour water on statues of Buddha and on each other to wash away bad luck and bring good fortune. This turns into huge, happy water fights in the streets. Splish, splash, fun everywhere. There's also traditional dancing, colorful clothes, and tasty Cambodian food. Yum! Khmer New Year is all about starting fresh, spending time with family, and spreading joy and kindness. So if you ever visit Cambodia in April, get ready to celebrate with water, music, and smiles all around. Happy Khmer New Year! Or as they say in Khmer, Choul Chnam Thmey. Thanks for watching. See you next video.